In this video, we're exploring the power of creating online courses in GoHighLevel. This is your ultimate guide to transforming your experience into a dynamic and engaging online course. GoHighLevel isn't just a CRM. It's a versatile platform for creating, managing, and enhancing your online courses. Perfect for anyone aiming to scale their business with educational content. Let's see how easy it is to create a course. In just a few clicks, you can set up a new course, upload videos, add text, and even attach files. It's user-friendly and efficient, making course creation a breeze. Why online courses? They're powerful tools for building authority and engaging your audience. And with GoHighLevel, you can elevate their experience by integrating interactive elements like gamification. By adding gamification, you can trigger automations, send messages, award points, or even prizes as your students progress. This keeps learners engaged and motivated throughout the course. Customization is a breeze in GoHighLevel. Tailor your courses to match your brand, from the layout to the colors to the content, and integrate interactive elements to boost the learning experience. Promoting your courses is seamless with GoHighLevel's integrated marketing tools. Use email campaigns, landing pages, and social media integration to effectively reach your audience. And don't overlook the analytics. GoHighLevel provides valuable insights into course performance, helping you refine your strategy and improve your engagement. Creating online courses in GoHighLevel is not just about sharing knowledge. It's about building an interactive community around your brand. And here's something exciting for anyone ready to take their GoHighLevel experience to the next level. My free online growth playbook is your key to unlocking the full potential of this platform, especially as a digital creator. It's packed with training resources and a pre-built snapshot you can easily load into your GoHighLevel account. Plus, I'll help you get set up with a free trial so you can see firsthand how HighLevel can revolutionize your business. You'll find the link below and in the description. Together, let's turn your passion into success. Keep learning, keep growing, and let's make an impact in the digital world. Come, join me with GoHighLevel, and let's turn your digital vision into a reality.